This is what the cupboard looks like, and now that I've folded all the tea towels, and you know what I was saying about actually making sure that the way I folded it is actually strategic, so that the width of the tea towels are the right width, so I can fit 3 rows. But the idea is you're supposed to fold it this way. So we have a lot of tea towels, don't we?
Yeah.
So we have to, it's not something I could purge because we do go through a lot of them, but the idea is.
Do you agree with this method?
I do actually. Look, you know, it's actually saved a lot of space instead of, you know, it's kind of resolving my OCD. It looks good actually. Now I'm going to go through the linen cupboard and the clothes. So probably Google KonMari. So her name's Maria Kondo. So people should just search KonMari or hashtag KonMari, and you'll see her methodologies and how she folds things. And it's one of my New Year's resolutions, to purge. Hope this helped. Look forward to seeing all our other videos where we purge other things to determine which sparks joy.